Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add tokens on MetaMask. To add tokens on MetaMask, first of all, open up the MetaMask application on your mobile device, or you can also open up the MetaMask browser extension, enter your password or authenticate with biometrics to unlock your wallet, and once you're inside, go ahead and look for the Tokens tab and tap on it. Inside Tokens, click on the plus icon at the top right, and this will take you to this Import Tokens option. Select your network from the drop-down, and then in the search box, type in the name of the token you'd like to add. After you find the token, simply tap on the square box right in front of it, and then click Next. Now click on Import, and you will then be able to import the token. Your new tokens will be added on the screen in the dashboard. You can also add a custom token if the token is not listed over here on the screen. In order to do that, tap the plus button once again and get to custom token at the top right. Now select a network from the drop-down and then enter the contract address for the token. After typing down the contract address, follow through the on-screen instructions and you will then be able to enter a custom token as well. So that's how you easily add tokens on MetaMask wallet. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.